Excuse me. Hello, I can't talk. Excuse me. Hello, YouTube. This is Don for DaretoBeCreative. Still early in the morning, and I don't have my voice. Excuse me. I have a haul from TM Tuesday morning. Some of this is from when I was out of town, and some of it from my store nearby. So, when I got some more of the We Are Memory Keepers, these are the large ribbon clips, so the ones I hadn't found. So I got 3 of those. And I'm going to read the SKU number. You can call the 1-800 product hotline number. Type in the SKU and the zip code, and I'll let you know if you have it in your area. So these were $1.99. This goes along with the magnetic bar. Right here you see that picture. You can hang them on the wall. And it says 202-9533. You can find these in Hobby Lobby. They cleansed them out. So I picked up these boxes to alter. And these are nothing new. These have been in Tuesday morning for a while. They're $2.49 2-pack. They're nice and sturdy. They're A6 boxes, and it is 1918738. So for $2.49. So A6. And then I picked up a couple dies off of clearance. They were 40% off or 25% off of that. Off of $2.99, so they were like $1, if that much or something. This one says now, and this one says right now. So this one, these are the Crafters Workshop TCW. The regular price, the regular SKU number is 1861738 for $2.99. It says now, and this is how it cuts out. And this one says 1861738. And these are in last year. This is right now. Alright. So, what else do I have? Always more staple tape. So, I got the 1/2 inch and a 1/4 inch. The 1/2 inch, these went up a little bit on the price because these used to be $1.49. And these were $1.99. These now, the 1/4 inch is now $1.99, and the 1/2 inch is now $2.19. So they went up on the tape because they know everybody probably need that. So these Home Hobby tape, double-sided. You can rip it with your hands. You don't have to use scissors. That's one thing I like about it, and it does hold. So the 1/4 inch is 2038678 at $1.99. The 1/2 inch is 2038677 for $2.19. So these work in hand. You use your ATG gun if you have those, the runner kind. But sometimes, you want to use these too because it can say they're cheaper than buying the refills for the runners or buying a whole nother runner. But so I mix them up. Get this big die out of the way. I hadn't debated on it, but it was $19.99, and this is the Party Box Richard Garra die, and it's 1919854. And this is under the Celebrations line. He also has a number on his dies as well. It is SCSR002 in case you're looking for that number. I was looking for the dimensions, and it doesn't say. But I know if it's like the palm of your hands, a regular typical size gable box when we see these. So the total is a whole 8.5 by 11. So you have to have a die machine that is wide enough, which I do have over there. I just purchased the Gemini, which I'm gonna do a separate video on that. I brought it on like Monday, Tuesday, and this is Saturday. I haven't had a chance because I've been out of town and just a crazy working week. So just busy. I had a lot of stuff I had to do, meetings and stuff. So that's a lot. So I haven't had a chance to actually come home and play with it and use it in between traveling. So hopefully this weekend I will actually get to break it in, and I'll give you that SKU number as well. But this is one of machines you have to have wide enough. I also have the manual one, the what's the name of my machine? the Big Shot by Sizzix. That'll fit that one. So mine is the Big Shot Pro. Big Shot Pro. So you have to have something that's 8.5, or really you need a 9-inch for these big steel roll dies. But you can cut all kinds of materials with this, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so on to the last few things that I got. Got a little bit of ephemera. I realized I got a stencil. And then a couple of stamps. Okay, so These were out last year. They cost, I think, $1.99. That's why I never got them. This year they came back 99. So hey, so sometimes they go up on prices. They actually seem like they go down on prices, because I remember these being more. Actually, I take that back. It was $1.49 maybe, because look, didn't realize one of them was $1.49. That's because it came in May. These all came in 10. Another tip for people who don't know a lot about Tuesday morning is you look at the date code. That is one of the things you can tell a lot about the prices. Anyway, excuse me. So these were Heidi Swap. These are wood veneers and a little piece of cardstock behind it, which I care less about that. But anyway, this one says Hello Sunshine, which that used to be my nickname, Sunshine, because my name is Dawn. 202-9499. 202-9502 for Best Ever, 99 cents. 202-9501, You Are Here. And then this one, which I didn't pay attention to because I probably need to take this back. I'm sure I can find one with this date on for 99 cents. It says Enjoy the View. And this is 196114. So if you get one with this date on it, it's going to have a 202 number on it. So they sometimes restock them when they reprice them. I found that out before while purchasing stuff. The stencils, just like these stencils have been out a long time ago, and I think I paid $1.99 or $2.99. They're across the room right over there. But anyway, they were not $3.99. I want to say it was $2.99. I don't think so. I think it was $2.99. But I have to double check and see if I have this one. If I do, this one's going back. I can't remember this one though. For some reason, this one didn't look familiar. The other ones did. But this is 2029000, and this is Heidi Swap Insta Words. It's a stencil kit. It comes with the some 4x4 sheets and these 4x4 stencil says Love, Wish, Shine, Happy, Hello, and Insta Heart. But they may already have that. Now we'll go back. So these are just some die cuts, which I finally found. I hadn't seen these in my store. So this is the Project Life 47 piece. It includes gold foil. And this is $1.49. That's not a bad price. It was $4. 203-8620. And it's called Explore. So you have the kit to go along with it, that'll go with it. So as you can see, these like Explore, Love, Adventure, Good Times. You can see the metallic ones. I know that's a cute one too. I don't know if I have that one. I don't think I do. And this Amy Tangerine, this is a 40 piece for $4.49 as well. And it also has pink foiling. 203-8620. So that's what these look like. It's more of a summer feel, cactus and cameras and stuff like that. So these are great for embellishments on your tags, your Project Life cards. You make card candy out of it, your scrapbook layout. So really any type of paper, and of course it'll match the paper line it goes with. But a lot of these, like, you know, that pink foiling or gold foiling, you can go on any color really. So, you know, sometimes you just don't have time to make your own embellishments. So a couple stamp sets. They had some more, but I only got 4. I got the more of the mixed media ones. Is what I was really looking for. And they still had 2 more mixed media ones that I did not get. I call myself being strong. I put some on back, which that's a big one for me. I did put some back, so yay. And there's some fall ones I put back as well too. So this one says Grunge, and it's 200-2090-499. This is Tim Holtz, Stampers Anonymous. So I like encourage your hopes, not your fears. I love the sentiment. I love these circles, and I love the sunburst. I actually have an embossing photo by him with the same imprint. So it would be great to do the outside with the embossing photo and this stamped on the inside. You also got your number. So these are each individual stamps. So that is what that looks like. And this one is called Motivate, and it's $4.99 as well. 200-2096. Yes, different numbers. Believe you can, you're halfway there. Do what you love and love what you do. Terry E01 from Terry E01 always says that. I may not be there yet, but I am closer than I was yesterday. So I love those sentiments. Sometimes you got friends or yourself going through something. These are some great sentiments to send, you know, a little card, a little happy mail to somebody to motivate and to encourage someone. So that was my thoughts with these, as well as using my art journal, but really to encourage somebody with those. make some little cards. So this one is called Dreams. So you got your clock, your pointed hand on your own dreams, and this is Mysterious Gentleman that appears in pretty much all of Tim Holtz stuff. And this one is called Big Top, and it's 2002095. Did I read this one? Nope. 2002089 for Own Your Dreams. And for the Big Top, it is 2002095. So that's the number for that one. And this one says hold on tight to your dream. So you got this elephant on this little teeny ball holding on tight. And then your ring master right there. So that is it for TM. I don't go as much as I used to. Yeah, I'm slowing down. So anyway, thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.